guys, this is one with A-StarCut. Today's video I'm going to show you how to jump through that door. I'm kidding. In today's video I'm going to show you how to cut on blank media with A-StarCut. So let's go. In Corel you can also use AI, but I think I will do in Windows because we need a file named PAD file, and we will need install. Here we need this kind of PAT. Only Corel can generate PAT. If you want to use AI, you can do it, but you need to use virtual driver in Windows. And if you need to know how, so you can ask me. Actually, cutting blank is quite simple. So here I have an example. They are exactly the same. I'm using the larger. I make this one larger because I don't like waste media. So here's the thing. First, you need to set the size to the media size. In this case, because cutting blank, we don't need to print a black mark here. So we can just set the size in Corel to media size. In my case, it's A4, so it will be 210 and 297. If you are using inch, doesn't matter. Better change it to millimeter because later we will set in A-StarCut. So basically, once you have the path for cutting, that's it. Just export. You can go File, Export, or I would prefer to press Command E or Control E because that is much faster. Here, format, we need to choose PAT. I press the P in keyboard, so it will jump to here. You need to select PAT. So PAT, and I will put it in my USB disk. I will name it January 20. Yep. Save only select the elements. If you select it, you need to make sure before you export, you need to select the paths you want to export. If you didn't, otherwise it will import everything in that file. Here we will click export, and a window will jump out in page payload unit set to 4012, and in advanced set 0.001 inch, and okay. So we are done here. Okay, so after we get the A3C file, first we needed to start A-StarCut, and here in page width and page height, set the same size in Corel. And also we have two value here. Before it was 5 or maybe other value. You can set it to 0. If you don't, that doesn't matter too much. It's something like this, because this is not print, right? When the machine scan from this side, if you set 5, it will go inside 5 and also to this direction. So if you set 0, it will scan the edge and then move into the inside, depending on how you make the file and then cut. So it doesn't matter too much. Anyway, let's do it properly. Set 0, and we can drag it inside. And you can see the preview is okay. If the preview has problem, then we need to go back to Corel. We might there's something wrong in Corel. Okay, the rest will be quite simple. You just insert the media from the back side or back side or front side, doesn't matter. Make a force test to adjust the blade, and when it can be cut off, that means okay. It's actually a little bit, see, the cutting is okay, but I think we will peel from this side to make it even. Anyway, I will show you another trick, so let's see. Okay, as you can see, media is already cut and not that. So another trick I'm talking about is, as you can see, this one is A4 size. This one is actually A3 size, but still the same file can be used, because in this case, because since this is cutting blank, right? So the machine will just scan the edge of the media and then start the cut. The only problem is because we set it in A4, so the cutting is all focused on this left area.